Hey friends! Ever wondered about 3D model processing and simulation on a 5-axis machine tool? Let me take you through it. A 5-axis machine tool can move along the X, Y axes and rotate around the axis. Much more flexible than traditional 3-axis machines. For 3D model processing simulation, first import the 3D model into the software, which then analyzes its geometric features like curves, angles and holes. Next, the software generates a complex toolpath, considering the additional rotational movements, similar to planning a car route on a map. The simulation starts after the toolpath is ready. It shows a virtual machine tool and workpiece, with cutting tools removing material along the planned path. During the simulation, the software checks for potential problems, like collisions. If issues are found, the simulation can be paused and the toolpath adjusted. After a successful simulation, the program is transferred to the real 5-axis machine tool for production. What do you think of this process? Any questions about its application in different industries? Leave your thoughts in the comments.